Right, change sprockets done. Then take the bike back and actually don't, oh yeah, that's better. There you get to see some of my bungings. You get to see some of my bunging skills now. What I tend to do is wrap that around on itself a bit, so it's less likely to come undone. That should be fine. Yeah. Fun. Oh, thank you. There we go. Look at that. View's a bit better. Put this on its side stand because with that box on the back I'm going to have a bit of difficulty getting on. In fact, I'm going to get off on the other side. I don't know why it seems easier to get on the other side. Oh, bloody hell. This is a tall bike for me. Right. Ignition on. Pockets closed. Used to only take me about like sort of 5 minutes to get ready to go. Lights on. Now I get outside and I think I've lost 20 minutes somewhere, and all I did was put my over trousers on, boots, jacket, second jacket, neck tube, scarf, helmet, and all the plugins that go with it. Come on, come on, come on. Oh my fucking god. It's an old bod as well. An old bod. Good. Glad he's turning right. Speed he's going at. I'll be needing to stop off and get a pack lunch. It's the first time I've seen a bus going around this bit. Maybe it's lost. The rear pedal could do with adjusting as well. It's a little bit high. I don't know if there's any adjustment on the rear pedal, because I find when to use it I need to pick my foot up, and I like it so I can just rotate my foot across over the top of the pedal and then apply. And you'll probably have found, whether you drive a car or ride a motorbike, the number of times an incident, something's happening on the road for you, and you thought in your mind, this is the time I need to make them aware I'm here, and you can't remember where the horn button is. You just can't remember where it is. Your brain just goes. And as soon as it's passed, within, say, a second after the occasion has passed, you think, oh, there's the horn. It's always been there. The horn's right there on the left handlebar, or on the end of the stalk, or in the middle of your steering wheel. So I had this sort of debate with the kill switch. I think in America, the kill switch, which is the big red button on the right hand handlebar, I'm not going to go for that. Yeah, in America, I believe the kill switch is used as part of switch on and shut down scenario. So when you come to the bike, you do all your checks, switch on the ignition switch, then switch the kill switch to the run position or on position, then start the engine. And then it's obviously reverse sequence for shutting down. Kill switch off, then ignition. And that's pretty much what I do. I'm not saying my way's better, but here in the UK, they're taught it in a lot of training schools. The kill switch is a no-no. Don't touch the kill switch. Kill switch is for emergencies only. Now, okay, kill switch is emergencies only. But can you think of a single situation where it could turn out to be an emergency where you would think, I know I will press the kill switch. Car pulls out on you. You're going to think I'd press the kill switch? No. You're going to be going, shit, I'm going to hit that fucking car. Bike on fire. Are you going to hit the kill switch? No. You want to get off the fucking thing and as far away from it as possible. And you could say, well, it's for if you come off. If you come off and the bike has carried on down the road and somebody else comes to it, they're going to see a big red button and go for that. No, they're not. They're not going to go for the big red button. I mean, the likes of some of the BMWs, they don't have big red buttons. They have a small, pokey green dot in the middle of a flick switchy thing. BMW always like to be irritatingly different. Social biker. Nice bit of nod there. What generally will happen is whether it is a pedestrian who never has really driven any sort of vehicle, or a car driver or another motorcyclist, the instinctive thing to go for is a key, an ignition switch key, because it is kind of almost bred into us now, because the motor vehicle has been around for so long. It is almost second nature that if you need to switch a vehicle off, you look for a key, because the key is the master and it controls absolutely all the electrical system of the vehicle. So the red switch in UK is pretty much redundant.